This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The stock market is one of the primary sources of revenues used by individuals or corporations to run or expand their business entities. Also, the stock market offers a long-term investment opportunity to individuals and business entities because it provides liquidity that enables investors to quickly trade their securities. As compared to other investment opportunities, although investing in the stock market can be a risky undertaking, the stock market offers a dependable performance of a diversified portfolio of stocks. As a result of these, investing in the stock market has many associated advantages that include: stock market investments have high returns, offers individual a chance to participate in the building of the economy, offer long-term and flexible investment opportunities, has little legal liability, and it is a flexible trading opportunity. On the other hand, investing in the stock market also has several disadvantages, although they are outweighed by its pros. The common disadvantages of investing in the stock market include stock market investments having no guaranteed returns, having many associated risks and costs, and it is a time-consuming undertaking. Therefore, although investing in the stock market can be a very risky venture, because of its numerous benefits, it is a worthy means of short or long-term saving and investing. Advantages of investing in the stock market. One primary advantage of stock trading is it's associated with superior long-term outcomes. Although it is very hard sometimes to predict the market price trends over a long time, for example, in more than one trading quarter, stock market investments have high returns that can be in form of dividends or capital gains, as compared to bonds and certificates of deposits. This is made better by the fact that the amount of loss from stock procured with cash is only limited to the aggregate sum of the early investment. This makes it better as compared to most leveraged business dealings, where the nature of losses accruing from such undertakings can exceed the originally invested amounts. A second advantage of investing in the stock market is that, through owning stocks, individuals are guaranteed a direct means of participating in the building of their nation's economy. This can be very beneficial to an individual and, because of the numerous gains associated with being key investors in a nation's economy. The third advantage of this form of investment is that it offers individuals long-term investment opportunities that are easy to access and exist, more so as concerns saving for retirement. Although it is very hard for one to predict correctly future changes in stock prices, the more time individuals participate in stock trading, the more insights they will learn into how the stock market operates and how to conduct their trading to avoid losses. Further, stocks protect the passive stockholders' liability beyond their reserves in organizations. On the other hand, because of the liquid nature of most stocks, their trading is easy, more in times of extreme price fluctuations. This offers individuals a chance to trade their stocks, depending on the prevailing market conditions. Disadvantages of investing in the stock market. Although stock trading has numerous advantages, proper use of appropriate economic policies can help to mitigate their effects. They include, to start with, it is a very risky adventure because of the volatility of market prices. Hence, unless individuals make correct predication before trading in their stocks, the likelihood of entities suffering great losses is high, as most factors that cause these fluctuations cannot be controlled by an investor. Secondly, although stock markets offer a good retirement investment opportunity, it is not a stable form of investment for old age. Hence, individuals need to transfer their funds to safer solid investments to avoid frustrations after retirement. The third disadvantage of this form of investment is that it has many associated costs, right from the initial minimum deposits to transaction levies charged by brokerage firms. These charges may reduce the revenues earned from an investment, hence, to a larger extent limiting the amount of earnings from stock trading. Finally, investing in the stock market can be a very time-consuming venture, as it requires frequent checking of one's level of achievement. Further, the process of researching for the most suitable portfolio can need a lot of time. It is the primary determinant of the level of achievement of an individual in the stock market. Conclusion. In conclusion, although investing in the stock market can be a risky and time-consuming investment venture, individuals need to note that it is one of the best investment opportunities because individuals can easily access and exit the stock market with easiness, regardless of the economic situation of a country. Did you like this investing in the stock market, advantages and disadvantages sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivpanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.